Hi there, I'm Corey McCain with WeStrive, and I'm going to walk you through this FAQ. Our team software allows health and wellness professionals to team up with other coaches in the fitness industry. Maybe you're a personal trainer and you want to combine with a yoga instructor, or maybe even a nutritionist. Doesn't matter, you can now partner up with whomever you want. We'll start with the coaches section. From here, all you have to do is simply select Add Coach, and then add the coach's email plus choose their role. Once they've accepted the invite, they and their clients will be added to the team. And speaking of roles, here's how roles work. There are 3 types of roles for the teams, and each role has a specific set of permissions that the admin can customize. So when you create a team, you as the admin will have the ability to do everything. And if you want to, you can give other teammates the admin role as well. But if you don't want them to have the same permissions, you can make them a lead coach or just a regular coach. Each team plan is combined into one, so if all 3 trainers have 5 clients, now you'll be working with 15 clients total. We recommend only letting admins handle team billing, but that's up to you. If we move over to the team clients page, you can see all the clients of each trainer, and then you can click on each individual trainer card to see their specific clients. As the admin, you can click on any client's profile and edit them as if the client is your own. However, if a coach has the ability to edit another coach's clients turned off, they won't be able to edit that client's profile. We recommend turning this off for regular coaches so they can't go and edit the clients of like an admin, for example. From the 3 dots next to the team name, you can view and edit the team picture and get an overview of the team. If you delete the team, it won't delete any trainers or clients. It will simply just separate everyone back to their original solo accounts. On the subscription page, the admin, or whoever you've given permission to, can update the payment card, history, and view payment subscriptions. If you handle client payments through WeStrive, you can pull funds out of the withdrawal page as well from here. Now, onto the programs page. As long as you have access from the team permissions, you can add programs to the team database, utilize the team templates, and possibly even edit those team templates as well. The program will say whether it's a draft or a template. Just like your own programs, drafts are ready to go and can be instantly assigned to clients, whereas templates are baseline plans that can be turned into drafts. Teams should create templates based around programs they want to keep reusing as a team. Finally, we have team exercises and team exercise templates. From these pages, you can easily add any of your exercises as long as you have the permission to the team database, and then even customize the exercises into your own team categories, just like you can with your own personal exercise database. Enjoy the WeStrive Teams feature and let us know if you have any questions. And there you have it. If you have any questions, please reach out at help@westriveapp.com. Have an amazing day. Don't forget to smile, and definitely do not forget to keep striving.